Good morning to all. Today our chapter is logarithm chapter from Innovative Mathematics of exercise 7b. Question number 7. Just to see what is given. Given that p is equal to 1 plus log 2 base 10 minus log 5 base 10, q given 2 log 3 base 10 and r given log x base 10 minus log 5 base 10. Find the value of x if p plus q equal to 2. These are the condition given. X is here missing. You have to find out the value of x. Let me write what is given: P given, Q given, R given, and one condition given: P plus Q equal to 2R. From there, relation you will get the value of x. Just see how to solve. First, you have to write what is given in this question. P given 1 plus log 2 base 10 minus log 5 base 10. Q given 2 log 3 base 10. R given log x base 10 minus log 5 base 10. Condition given: P plus Q equal to 2R. Just to put the value of P here. P value equal to how much? You have to simplify a slight bit. 1 means log 10 base 10. 1 means log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10. And this will be plus log 2 minus log 5 means log 2 by 5. 2 by 5 base 10. Again it can be simplified. Log, this will be 10 into 2 by 5 base 10. 5 to the 10. How much coming? Log 4 base 10. Okay. And this value you have to substitute. P equal to how much? Log 4 base 10. Okay, just writing here log 4 base 10 plus q. Q means what? Log 2 log 3 base 10. This should be 2 means whole square. 3 ka whole square log 9 base 10. Log 9 base 10 equal to 2r. 2r. R means what? Log x by 5. As it minus sign give it base 10. Directly I am doing. After that, log, this will be 9 4 ja 36 base 10, as it is plus sign given middle, and this will be log x by 5 ka whole square base 10. Okay, now comparing both sides, just see 36 equal to how much? X square by 25. So this implies x square equal to 36 into 25. X means root over of this 6 into 5. Therefore x is equal to 30. X is equal to 30. Okay, taking square root both sides, 30 root over 6. Root over of 25 is 5. 6 5 is 30 is the value of x. I think it is clear. Let me explain again. You have to simplify p. P is equal to 1 means log 10 base 10. As it is minus sign given, this will be log 2 by 5 base 10. Again it is plus means multiplication, log 10 into 2 by 5 base 10, which is equal to log 4 base 10. Okay. Q given directly log 2 log 3 base 10 means this will be 3 ka whole square 9. This is log x by 5 base 10. Putting all these values, putting the value of p and q in p plus q, log 4 plus log 9 means log 4 9 is 36 base 10. But 2 or r is what? Log x by 5 base 10. 2 means it will be square as per the logarithm properties, power law. Now comparing both sides, 36 equal to x square 25. X square equal to 36 into 25, x equal to root over of this 30. Okay, let us go next number. See question number 9, it is given log 2 base 10 का value given 0.3010, log 3 base 10 value given 0.4771, log 5 base 10 value given 0.6990, and you have to find out first part log of 0.6. 0.6 means it will be 6 by 10, which is equal to log 6 minus log 10. 6 means this will be log 3 to the 6, that is log 2 plus log 3. And log 10 means log 10 base 10 is 1, log 10 is 1. Now put the value of log 2, that is 0.3010, log 3 का value given 0.4771 minus 1. First to add, this will how much? 0.4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 0, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 0 plus 1, 8, minus 1. Okay, if you subtract, it will how much? 0. This is 2219, 0.2219. This is the value of log 0.6. The value of log 0.6 is equal to how much coming? 0.6 equal to 0.229. Next question number, second part. And you have to find out log 48. 48 minus 16 3 is 48. 16 3 is 48. That is equal to log 16 plus log 3. 16 means 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 plus log 3, which is equal to 4 log 2 plus log 3. Now put the value of log 2. Log 2 value is how much? 0.3010 plus log 3 value 0.4771. First to multiply here. 4 0 is 0, 4 1 is 4, 0, 4 3 is 12. 12 means 1.2040 plus 0.4771. If you will add, what you will get here? 1, 7 plus 4, 11, then 8, 4 plus 2, 6.1, 1.6811, 1.6811. This is the value of log 48. Log 48 value is this one. Okay, I think it is clear. Let us go next part. Next part, you have to find out the value of log 12.5. Log 12.5 means this should be log 125 by 10. It will go by 5. 5 to the 5, 25. Log 25 by 2. Log 25 minus log 2. 25 means 5 ka whole square. That will be 2 log 5 minus log 2. 2 log 5. What is the value of log 5? The value of log 5 given 0.6990 minus log 2 value given 0.3010. So first of all, you have to multiply 2. 2 0 is 0, 2 9 is 18, 2 9 is 18, 19, 2 6 is 12, means 13, 1.3980 minus 0.3010. Now subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 1, 7, 9 minus 0, 9, 3 minus 3, 0, 1.0970. I think it's clear. I have completed number 9, all the parts, and one more question left, that is number 10. Okay, just let me complete. See the question number 10, it is given log x base 10 equal to m, log y base 10 equal to n, and log p equal to 2m minus n given, and you have to find out the value of p in terms of x and y. First write log p is equal to 2m. M means what? Log x base 10 minus n is what? Log y base 10. This will be log x square base 10 minus log y. This will be log x square by y base 10 is equal to log p. Now comparing both sides, p will be how much? X square by y. Now finally you are getting what? Therefore p is equal to x square by y. In this way, total part exercise completed. Only one part left of number 9, that is fourth part, that you have to find out log 200 का value. Just let me see. Number 9 का fourth part left, that is log 200 का value you have to find out. 200 means 2 into 10 का whole square. This will be equal to log 2 plus 2 log 10. 2 log 10, that means log 2 value 0.3010. 2 into 1. 3010 plus 2. How much coming? This is equal to 2.3010. In this way, this number also completed. The value of log 200 is 2.3010. Thank you for today's class. Next day I'll do more.